Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this braided ponytail. So jumping straight into this quick tutorial, my hair was already washed, blow dried, flat iron, all that good stuff. So I went ahead and made a part from ear to ear. And I'm going to be working with the back section first, so I put away the front portion and I'm just putting the back of my hair into a ponytail, and I'm making sure I comb it to where exactly I want the ponytail to be, and then I'm going to use my hair tie and tie it. Instead of using gel this time, I did decide to go ahead and use my got2b free spray, and I just sprayed all around. I also went and combed that through, make sure it is nice and smooth, and then I used my blow dryer to dry it in place. So once I've done that to the back portion, I'm just going to comb through my hair and then retie it with my hair tie. So this is how it is looking. Now I'm going to work with the front. So I always like to make a middle part just to make sure anything I'm doing is even. And I decided I wanted to do those two parts. So I'm going to make a slanted part on one side, and I'm going to try to mimic that on the opposite side as well. And so that middle portion, it would just get slicked straight back, and the sides would kind of swoop into the back of the ponytail. So once my hair is nice and slick the way I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my hair tie and just tie everything together in one. So this is the hair that I will be using. It was a 1B mixed with like this brown color, so it was more of an ombre. But what I did was I removed the elastic that was on the hair, and then I took one end of the hair, put it in front of my face, and put the other end on top of my ponytail, and then I just used the rubber band and tied it down together. So I tied my ponytail and the hair, as you can see, down together, and then the part that was in my face, I just flipped that back and it's all together in one. I find that it makes it much easier doing it this way. So if you haven't tried it out, make sure you try it out. And what I'm doing now is I'm just taking a piece from the back and I am using that as my wrap to wrap around my band. And I like to use the free spray as well to spray on this piece to make sure that it holds. So you can go ahead and spray the free spray, and you can also use your blow dryer to dry it so that way it stays in place. But once I've done that, I use some of my Shine and Jam and I just put that all over the hair so my hair kind of sticks with the braiding hair, and then I'm just gonna start braiding. So I'm splitting the hair into 3, and I will be feeding in pieces into this braided ponytail. So I like to actually have pieces on the side that it's spread apart already, so it's easier for me to grab and put it in as I go. So as you can see, I'm just picking up pieces one by one and feeding them into the braid. And I'm just gonna braid it down until I reach the end. Also, when braiding, you want to make sure that you are not just braiding and not combing through the hair at the same time with your hands, and making sure there's no knots, because once you get a knot in the braiding hair, especially when it's so long, it is difficult to take it out. So you want to make sure that when you are braiding, you are pulling your hand through the braiding hair, making sure that there is no tangles. So as you can see, this is a really long braid, but I'm going to continue braiding it to the end. And once I finish braiding it, I'm going in with my mini flat iron. I'm just gonna curl my sideburns and then use my edge control to just style them the way I want it. And once that is done, I am just going in with my gloss spray and I'm spraying that all over my hair. You guys know I love me some gloss once the hair is finished. And once I've done that, I am going in with some hot water and I'm dipping the end just so that my braid isn't stiff, guys. So I'm just dipping it. You have to make sure you have a towel on hand because you will get wet and it is hot, so you don't want to touch it. But I like to use some cool water with the boiling water, and I'm just using the towel and I am just pressing down that braid. So now I'm going in with my oil sheen, and that is it. So this is how the hair is looking. A long braided ponytail. It's like a mid with those two partings. Yeah, I'm loving it. So I'm just showing you guys the color and how it is looking. And yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys learned something from it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have been here this long, I hope you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, let me know how you guys feel about these braided ponytails, because if you know and you are not new here, you know a braided ponytail is my thing. So thank you for watching. Make sure you guys go watch all my other videos, comment down below, let me know you are here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.